Okay, you guys need to try this Baked Bear. It is amazing. I don't actually know where it's at, but look it up on your GPS or whatever. Baked Bear, it is so good. Ignore them. But look at this place. Mint chocolate chip with mini M&Ms as a topping, and cookie, M&M cookie. It is so good.
20 different types of ice cream, 20 different toppings,
Custom ice cream sandwiches, which is amazing, but yeah, just try it here. Another bite. It is so good. This one too. Cookie Monster. Technically, I'm not supposed to be sitting at this chair because it's Cookie Monsters only, but like, you know. Okay, perfect. So yeah, come try Baked Bear. Look it up on your GPS. It's a really cool place. And yeah, it's good.